Hey guys, Collector's Quest here, and today we will be doing a short review and a short unboxing of the Pokemon Scale World Galar region, Allister, and Mimikyu, and a Cursola exclusive. So, I actually purchased this today at Shopee. As you guys can see, it has my name on it, and we are going to open it right now. So I'm not really familiar with the character because I played Pokemon Sword but not Shield, so I didn't really encounter her rather, as a gym leader. So we will be checking out this package over here. As you guys can see, it's actually packed really nicely. There we go. Looks really nice. Box. Here we got them. And so, let's take a close look at the Allister figure. Let's put these both of them away. So here is the Allister figure. I'm not sure if it's focusing, but okay. So really nice figure. Really love the details that are going on. Got 6 Pokeballs over there. Looks like my Pokeball over here kind of has some paint imperfections. And here we have the she's wearing her battle uniform. Okay, really nice. You guys see, I think this is I'm not really sure, is it a ghost kind of thing that's going on over there? Is her stand? I think she can stand really nice all by herself. Really fine, not really a problem. So, but let's utilize the stand that she has. Just set it aside over there, and let's take a look at Mimikyu. Mimikyu, really iconic character. So you can see over there, really nice. I love the details. Looks like that the face is like drawn out, but yeah, it's actually just painted over there. It kind of looks like it's just drawn there. As you guys can see, Mimikyu is actually a what do you call this? It's kind of like, it was inspired by Pikachu. The design of the character, as you guys can see, kind of imitates the tail and as well as the ears. And lastly, we have the Cursola. So this is actually Cursola. I'm going to put Cursola a picture of Cursola over here, just so you guys can compare it. But this is actually a ghost type, probably because those, what do you call it, those corals are actually getting extinct slowly due to the changes in the environment, the stuff that's been going on, the pollution that's been going on. So this is actually a statement that corals are actually dying, so they've actually made a ghost type of Cursola rather, that's named Cursola right now. So yeah, nice set that's going on. Size comparison time. So here we have Allister standing next to the Galar trainers over here. As you guys can see, she is a bit smaller because of her being a little bit bent, but that's her character, so that's actually pretty normal. And here she is next to the red that came with the Snorlax figure. And you guys can see here is the Mimikyu next to the Galar Pikachu and the Cursola. You guys can see the sizes are actually really nice. They're really good. Actually, really like it. And this is actually a really nice add to my collection. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys go pick this figure up. This is a exclusive, I think. Not really sure about this one, but it doesn't really come. These normal Pokemon Scale World figures don't really come with this sticker, but I'm not really sure, but I heard that this is an exclusive. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe on our channel, and please do like and follow our Facebook and Instagram page, and I will catch you guys on the next video.